I'll show you the official method to transfer your Cash App funds directly to your bank account, how to bypass the instant deposit fee entirely, and what to do if your transfer gets stuck. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Leaving your money sitting as a Cash App balance means it's not earning interest in your real bank account. But if you cash out the wrong way, Cash App will take a major percentage cut of your hard-earned money. To get started, make sure you're on the main Cash App home screen. At the bottom left corner, tap your money balance, which is a bank icon or your current dollar amount. Right under your main balance display, tap the large button that says Cash Out. A pop-up menu will appear with a slider. Type in the exact amount you want to send to your bank, or just hit Cash Out to move the entire balance. This next choice is where most people lose money. Cash App will give you two options, instant or standard. If you choose instant, the money hits your linked debit card in minutes, but you will pay a dynamic fee ranging from 0.5% to 1.75%, with a minimum charge of 25 cents. If you select standard, the funds are sent via a secure bank transfer, which takes 1 to 3 business days, but it is 100% free. Select standard to save money. If you initiate a free standard transfer on a weekday morning, it often arrives much faster than the 3-day estimate anyway. If the standard button is grayed out, or if you need to switch where the money is going, go back to the home screen and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Link Banks. Tap on your currently linked bank account or debit card. Select Remove or Replace to securely hook up your new account using the built-in portal. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.